I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select actions. KonnectzIT. Give here the webhook link. So visit the KonnectzIT dashboard. Create KonnectzIT. Give a KonnectzIT name. Search a trigger webhook. Drag and drop here. Copy the webhook URL. Capture webhook response. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the KonnectzIT site and choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Drag and drop here. Choose action. Select account. Choose base ID. Choose table ID. Choose type or case. Select additional fields. OK. Now create a connection between webhooks and Airtable. Test and review. Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site, and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via KonnectzIT. Thanks for watching.